Hi everyone, this is Mr. Dinaka, Faculty of English Department. In this session, we are going to discuss about formation of words, right? Formation of words. Forming nouns from verbs, right? So you might have seen my previous video in that I taught you about the parts of speech and prefix and suffix, right? So formation of words, we should know what is meant by noun and what is meant by verbs, right? So parts of speech, it's very important to make a new words from one word, right? Students, in this session we are going to see forming nouns from verbs, right? Action words are called as verbs. Naming words are called as nouns. So I have written a few words on the board. See, my dear students, verb, noun. See the first one, believe. Believe is a verb. B-E-L-I-E-V, believe. So, with the help of this verb, we are going to form a new word. We are going to form a noun with the help of the verb. Believe is a verb. Belief is a noun. See the difference between the spelling also. B-E-L-I-E-V-E, believe. I believe you. Right? So here believe is a verb. See the noun form of believe, B-E-L-I-E-F, belief. Right? So here most of the noun forms are in abstract nouns, right? So what is meant by abstract noun, my dear students? We cannot touch, we cannot see, but we can feel, right? That is called abstract noun. See the next one, serve. Serve is a verb. Serve, S-E-R-V-E, serve. So what is a noun form? Service. Service, S-E-R-V-I-C. The word ends with E. The word ends with E. We have to take off the E, take out the letter E, and we have to add I-C-E here, right? So serve, service. So next one, obey. O-B-E-Y, obey. Okay. So students should obey the parents and teachers. Obey. Obey is a verb. So what is a noun form? Obedience. O-B-E-D-I-E-N-C-E. Obedience is a noun form, right? Students, see the fourth one. Expect. Expect is a verb, right? Expect. So according to the tense, it may change. The verb may change. See the noun form, expectation. Expectation. Arrive. A-R-R-I-V-E. Arrive. Okay. I arrive sharply. I arrive sharply. Here arrive in the sense verb. According to the tense, it may change. Arrive, arrived, will arrive. Right? See the noun form, arrival. A-R-R-I-V-A-L. Arrival. Next one, depart. Depart. D-E-P-A-R-T. Depart. Depart is a verb. Depart. The noun form is departure. D-E-P-A-R-T-U-R-E. Departure. So depart is a verb. departure is a noun form, right? The next word, practice and practice. Same sound. We're learning homonyms. Okay, I taught you about this one, right? See the spelling for verb practice. Practise. Practice. See the spelling of noun form practice. Practice. So that is the difference between these two. Don't confuse. I am practicing. I am practicing now. Practice makes a man perfect. Next word, succeed. 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 Succeeded. Will succeed. Right? Succeed is a verb. So what is a noun form of succeed? It's a success. See the spelling. Success. Success. Succeed, verb. Success is a noun. Fail is opposite to succeed. Fail is opposite to succeed. Fail is a verb. Failure. Failure is a noun form. Fail, failure. Next one. Think. Think is a verb. Think is a verb. The noun form is thought. Actually, thought is also a verb, past form of think. Thought can be used as a noun form also. Thought, right? Thought. Thought. So don't confuse. Thought can be used as a noun form as well as the past form of think. Okay, my dear students. Next one, act. Act. He acts in a movie. He acts. Okay, act is a verb. See the noun form, action. Action. So we have added suffix, group of letters, ION, to make a new word. Right? Next one, judge. 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 Judge is a verb. Judge can be used as a noun also. Okay, noun also we can use the word judge. But here I have written as a verb, JUDG, judge. See the noun form, judgment. JUDGE, judge. MENT, we have added suffix, group of letters. MENT, meant, to make a noun form. Right? So suffix we have added. Judge is a verb, judgment is a noun. Discover. DISCOVER, discover is a verb. Discovery is a noun. Right? Discover, discovery. Next one, choose. CHOOSE, choose. Choose the right answer. Okay, here choose is a verb. We have to pick out, choose from the options. Right? So choose is a verb. What is the noun form? Choice. It is your choice. You can choose anyone. It's your choice. So choice is a noun form. Choose is a verb. Choice is a noun. Right? Next one, live. LIVE, live. What is a noun form? Life. LIFE. He lives in Mumbai. Here, live is a verb. So, life is a noun form. We have to live our life happily. Okay, life is a noun form. Live is a verb. Life is a noun. Next one, admit. A-D-M-I-T, admit. He admitted in the hospital. Admitted. Admit is a verb. Admission. Admission. A-D-M-I-S-S-I-O-N. Admission is a noun form. You might have heard this word admission in the school, in the hospital, right? Admission. It's a noun form. Apply. A-P-P-L-Y. Apply is a verb. Right? I applied for the new job. Apply is a verb. Application. A-P-P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Application. I got an application form. So application is a noun. Right? So apply is a verb. Application is a noun. Okay. So the last one. Collect. C-O-L-L-E-C-T. Collect is a verb. What is a noun form? Collection. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Collection. Right? So collect the books. Go and collect the books. Here collect is a verb. Okay, collection is a noun form. Okay, students. So let me repeat. Believe, belief. Serve, service. Obey, obedience. Expect, expectation. Arrive, arrival. Depart, departure. Practice, practice. Succeed, success. Fail, failure. Think, thought. Act, action. Judge, judgment. Discover, discovery. Choose, choice. Live, life. Admit, admission. Apply, application. Collect, collection. So I hope you have learned how to frame nouns from the verbs, right? I hope you may write sentences for these words, right, my dear students? So thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you, my dear students.